Hello everyone, what's up? This is Rich, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own custom screensaver from photos that you've taken with your digital camera. This application is called Picasa, and I also have a screensaver installed called the Google Photos Screensaver. If I bring up my web browser here, you can get both of these by going to a website, pack.google.com. I will have this link in the sidebar and in the PCMech article. And then let me just uncheck all this stuff. You may already have some of this stuff, but anyway, I check off Picasa and Google Photos Screensaver. So what I do is I get those two and I install them. This is Picasa. What I've done is I've scanned the My Pictures folder. Also, Picasa has very easy ways of importing photos from digital cameras, existing directories, whatever you want to do. Now, what I've done first is in the screensaver, let me just bring this into view here. I have the Google Photos Screensaver selected here, and in the settings part of it, I have Picasa checked off, and then I click on Configure. And then I have checked display pictures from my screensaver album and display all of my starred photos. Starred photos is something that you can do in Picasa where if you star a photo, it's kind of like starring a message in Gmail for those that are familiar with that. And then I click Done. Now also I could go to Picasa web albums. I could have just scan specific folders on my computer or do photo feeds or anything like that, but I'm just going to use Picasa in this instance. I'm going to use the visual effect of pan and zoom and have it change the picture every 7.5 or so seconds, which is okay. It looks really good. And by the way, it works really nicely on dual monitors. If you have dual or more monitors set up, it'll actually put different photos on each monitor. It looks awesome. So anyway, I'll do that and I click OK. And all I have to do here essentially is I just drag photos to the screensaver part of it. So I'll drag this one. And let me go find another one. I'll drag this one. And I'll just drag a few more here. This one, this one, this one, this one. Here's another one. You get the idea. You just drag photos in here, not a big deal. Now, it's in the screensaver folder, so I'm going to go back and go to properties and go to the screensaver part of it again. And you'll see on the screen here, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to randomly go through the photos that I've dragged into the screensaver folder there. And also, if you don't like the pan and zoom, you can do, I like the one that's called collage. And you can see here, it just let me bump that up to every 1 second. It'll just randomly drop photos, like it's literally dropping photos on the screen. That looks kind of cool. And but I prefer the pan and zoom, and let me just put that back to 7.5 seconds. And that's basically it. It works really well. I use it myself. I like using my own photos. It's not intrusive. I don't see any spyware or malware in this at all. I suggest it. So again, that's pack.google.com with Picasa and Google Photos Screensaver. Works out pretty well. Take it easy.